Well, earlier in the show, we heard from CommonGround volunteer Karol Swan about sorghum production, and that interview will be on our Facebook page later this morning. And now Karol is back with a recipe to share. Here's Taryn with more.
All right, thank you, John. Yeah, we're excited about some cookies today. And Karol Swan is here today, and she's using sorghum. And this is a recipe you found on the sorghum website?
On one of the sorghum websites. I can't remember if it's the national or the state one, but if you go to either one, Google either website, they have lots and lots of recipes, lots of really fun and pretty, main dish recipes, even a lot of desserts, but a lot of main dish recipes to use for sorghum, which I was really impressed.
Yeah, well, how does this one start?
Well, this one starts, if you'd like to kind of stir the butter and the sugar, and I'm just kind of doing a half a batch here today. But we'll stir butter, sugar, and vanilla, and you get lots of vanilla in there. And then we'll put the carrots. It's got carrots in it, and carrots are good in everything. And I'll just put the nutmeg, cinnamon, and salt in with the flour and give it a little quick stir, kind of to get it together. Like they always taught you to sift your dry ingredients.
There we go. Okay.
And then we'll dump that in, and as you stir, it seems like it's a lot of dry ingredients, but it does. It does get when you do it, it does get all moist, really nice, nice dough.
Can you use a mixer for this?
Yeah, you can use a mixer. I don't have a nice mixer. I've just got a little hand one, and it works. It's pretty tough for that. Yeah.
Okay, so you just keep stirring that.
Yeah, and then what I do is take form it into a dough ball, and then dip it in powdered sugar. And they kind of, beans are shortbread cookies. They kind of don't want to stay together the best.
They're a little drier.
They're a little drier, but as we mix more, if you have time to really kind of give it a mix, then you kind of can place them in the powdered sugar. And what I do is just let them set and chill. Let them set and chill overnight. And then bake them, and it says to bake 300 degrees for 20 minutes, and may not look done, but they are done. And then I take them out, and you want to let them cool on the cookie sheet because they're pretty tender, and just gently loosen them after they cool a while, and then let them cool completely before you want to eat them. Your tendency is to pick them up and eat them. They're pretty crumbly because they're really good warm, but they're crumbly because of the nature of the sorghum flour. But when they are done, they're really tasty. They have a little bit of that nutmeg, a little bit of that cinnamon in it, and the carrots, and they're just really, really fun. They last a long time in the refrigerator. We kind of liked them chilled.
These are good.
Yeah, they are good.
A healthy cookie, really.
Yeah, it is a healthy cookie. And I know there's ways you can use, instead of using butter, you can use other items for the, like coconut butter or coconut, I don't know what it is, kind of a gooey stuff. What do they call that? I can't even think what it's called. But it comes in a jar, and it's a coconut butter type thing.
Oh, okay.
And
so there's options.
There's options
if you
to
don't
use.
want to use that.
And then I don't know, like some of your sugar substitutes, if you want to try that in, but you can kind of tweak these things. But the main part is that it's for a celiac diet. It will work for that because of the sorghum in it.
Perfect, and this is a way to get carrots in there for your kids too.